very good day everyone. So today we will learn on Python in Excel. As we refer in this particular file, we do have a table which consists segment and also ringgit Malaysia. So what I want to do is, I want to perform data analysis using Python. So if just say you have the latest Excel, which is Microsoft Excel 365, you will notice that you will have Python over here. So what I want to do is, I want to actually learn how to use Python to perform data analysis. So let's get started. So over here you notice that we have segment, we have RM. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put here equal py. Okay, so py means Python. So with Python we can actually learn so many things, but in this case I want to perform data analysis. So I'm going to press tab, and then what I'm going to do is, I want to highlight the entire table. Control shift down, control shift right, and then what I do is, I put full stop, describe. So describe means it will try to actually perform some simple statistical analysis on this given data. So I'm going to press tab, open bracket, close bracket, control enter, and just like that it will show you data frame. So what is data frame? Data frame is basically referring to a table which is loaded into Python. So when a table means a table which has columns and rows, and the columns which means like the headers over here, we show segment and RM. So if just say I expand this, you will notice that this is a simple statistical analysis, whereby describe means it will describe this particular table. How many data are there? There are 22 data. And what is the mean, what is the max, and so on. Now if just say I want to actually perform another analysis. So for example over here, now we have already analyzed this table. But what if just say I want to analyze a particular column? So this is where what I'll do is, I put here open bracket, simple apostrophe, and I put here segment, and then close apostrophe, close bracket, and then I press control enter. You are not able to press enter. When you want to key in or return the value, you just press control enter. So when you press control enter, you will notice that it will analyze the segment. So from here we notice that we have about 22 items or 22 segments, and we have 3 different items like broadcasting, price, ticket attendance. So just say I put over here, for example, I go here and write here sponsorship. So here it will show us 4 unique items, and just say I put here player transfer. So here it will show us 5 unique items. So meaning to say is, we can actually use Python to do some simple data analysis. And not only that, we can also, instead of finding the describe where we do a simple analysis, we can also use value count. So for example over here, I use values count. So basically they will try to count for each particular segment. So I'm going to press tab, open bracket, close bracket, and control enter. And just like that, we can understand. So for example, broadcasting, we have what, 9 items. Ticket attendance, we have what, 7. Price, we have 4. Sponsorship, we have 1. Player transfer, we have also 1. So now you just say I want to find the sum of all of it. So how we can actually find the sum? Well, in this case we use group by. So what we do is, we just remove all this and we put a full stop, group by. So what we want to group by? Well, we want to actually group by the segment. So I put here apostrophe, segment, and then after that close bracket, and then I just put special bracket, RM, and then after that full stop, and I put sum, control enter. And just like that, we will notice that we will have the sum of each data. So for broadcasting, for player transfer, for price, for sponsorship, and for ticket attendance. And over here also, we can actually figure out what is the top 3 items. So what we can put over here is full stop and largest. So and largest, just say I want to know the top 3. So I press tab, open bracket, 3, close bracket, control enter. And just like that, we will find the top 3 items. So basically what we can do is, we can actually perform simple data analysis using Python.